So let's continue. So we're going to proceed to the next slide because it shows the solution for this problem. So, again, dito nag-stop sa last video. 2.35 is equal to x minus 200 divided by 25. So, answer, a sample has a mean of 200 and standard deviation of 25. So, find the value of x that corresponds to a z-score of 2.35. So, dili ata nag-end. So, 2.35 again is equals to x minus 200 divided by 25. So, all you have to do is you're going to cross-multiply this one. Ano na siya? Again, pag whole number, yun na siya automatic. It has a denominator na 1. Imaginary 1. So, cross-multiply. So, x minus 200 times 1 is just equals to x minus 200. And then 2.35 times 25. So, proceed. X minus 200 is equals to 58.75. Kung i-multiply ninyo, 2.35 and 25 is just equals to 58.75. So, next, atong buhatan diri para ma-solve si x. Ako lang i-show sa kilid. Ako lang i-show para mas detail. Ano? So, para mabilin si x, all you have to do is to transpose negative 200 sa pikas. And then, mahimo siyang positive 200. So, ito na siya yung diretso. Perform din ang operation. So, 58 minus 58.75 plus 200 is just equal this. 258.75. So, muna siya ang pag-solve kung x ang pangit. And then, the same as mean, kung mean naman ang ipangita, inanaon na ninyo siya pag. So, it depends of what is asked in the bracket. So, for the next topic, it's all about the box plots or the box and whisker. So, I will create another video for this topic. So, that's all for Z-score. If you have questions or clarifications regarding for our topic, just let me know in our group chat. Don't hesitate to chat. Thank you.